Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to use NFC on your Android device. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Connected Devices, Connections, or More Connection Settings, depending on your device. Look for the NFC option and turn it on. Once NFC is enabled, you can use it for contactless payments, sharing files, pairing compatible devices, or reading NFC tags. To make a payment, simply unlock your phone and hold the back of your device near a supported payment terminal. If your sharing files are connecting to another NFC-enabled device, follow the on-screen prompts and keep the devices close together until the action is complete. If your phone doesn't have an NFC option in settings, it may not support the feature. You can check your device's specifications to confirm whether NFC is available. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use NFC on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.